today's video, we accomplished Super Scent look. Let's go. If you are new here to AZ Beauty, I'm AZ, and if you want to join the beauty gang, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit that bell button so you can always know when I upload videos. Yes, this look, I did that. But this look, I saw it on Supa Scent, which is the founder of the Crayon Case, of course, the Maddie book. I'm trying to be a crayon cutie. Let's go. Yes, I am. But I saw this look that she did on live, and I was like, oh my God, I need to try that. Welcome back, beauty gang. Thank you for tuning in. I saw this look on IG from Supa Scent. She is the founder of the Crayon Case, of course, and I am trying to achieve that look. As you can see, I got one eyeball done. We started blending with a base of brown. Now I move right to the purple. I used the light purple first to blend it out over my lid. So when in doubt, blend out for sure. And just blended it in and packing it in on that side. I had to continue looking at her pictures, her picture right there, and I don't know if you can see it there, but the moon look is all the way, it's completed. And I was like, okay. I also noticed that I wasn't able to get the light purple highlight like she had, but I know what I should have did, what I could do next time to be better. So as you can see, I'm just making sure I'm cutting it even where I can where you can see the full look, the halo look. So I was like, oh man, I didn't do it on the other side. I didn't complete it because I had to continue looking at my computer. So that's what I'm doing there. I'm filling it in, trying to make sure it's even and it looks the same. So I have Bare on my lip, which is a pencil from the Crayon Case. My eyebrows is done with Morphe. My foundation is Morphe. Couple of reasons why I don't have like the Crayon Case concealer or foundation is because I don't know how to match my color online, so I feel like a little insecure about that, but we're gonna work through that. I use the yellow with the highlighter, and I use the peach with the pink to blend out, and I use the soft purple with the deep purple to help me get those colors there. And just continue to blow my brush. When in doubt, blend out. So that's what I'm trying to do there to ensure that my makeup is blended to the right capacity, especially on the end. Now I'm trying to get that eyeliner across, and you really have to have a steady hand for that. I also did a TikTok video. Please stay tuned for that. And the foundation is Morphe, and my eyeliner is LA Girl. I like to put mascara on my bottom eyelashes. The eyeliner that I used to go across, it was running, so I had to definitely fix it up. So I'm trying to put on my lashes right now. I like to blow them and let it dry just a little bit so it can stick right on. Yeah, so it can stick right on. And as you can see there, my eyelashes is running from the eyeliner, so I definitely need to give me some more eyeliner for sure. And if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And just know that I'm coming week by week with a different look. Let me know down in the comments what you would like to see, what eyeshadow looks. And yes, I'm a huge fan of the Crayon Case and Supa Scent.